In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to only see local on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll have your Marketplace feed showing items from your area so you can arrange quick pickups and avoid long drives or shipping delays. Start by opening Facebook and heading to Marketplace. You can get there from the Marketplace icon on the home page. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the Filters panel. You'll see a section labeled Location. That's where all the local magic happens. If you're on a smaller screen, those filters may be tucked behind a Filters button or icon. Tap that to reveal the same options. Click your current location. A small window opens where you can update the area Facebook uses to find listings, type in your city or your zip code. If you live in a big metro area, entering your specific neighborhood or accurate postal code helps zero in on sellers closest to you. If you're near a border between towns, try the code that best represents where you actually want to drive. Next, adjust the search radius. This is the distance around your chosen location that Facebook will use to show listings. Think of it as drawing a circle on the map. A smaller radius, like a few miles or kilometers, will show only very close items and is great for quick meetups. A larger radius opens up more results but may include places that are not practical to reach. If you're just getting started, pick a modest range, then widen it only if you're not seeing enough options. Keep in mind that Marketplace may display distance in miles or kilometers based on your settings, but the idea is the same. Smaller radius equals more local results. When you've set your city or zip and your preferred radius, click Apply. Marketplace will refresh and show listings that match your new location settings. Give it a second to update. You should notice distance labels on items reflecting your chosen area. If you still see something far away, it could be a sponsored post or a promoted listing, which can occasionally appear regardless of filters. Regular results, though, should respect your location and radius. If your feed feels too limited, slightly increase the radius and apply again. If you're seeing places that are too far, reduce the radius and reapply. These settings usually stick, but if you change devices or travel, revisit the location filter and update it. That's it. Set your location, choose a sensible radius, hit apply, and enjoy a marketplace tailored to your local area.